Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to learn about email scams, those sneaky messages that try to trick you online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to spot them and keep yourself safe. Before we dive in, here's what you learned today. So first, how criminals use computers to commit scams. Real-world examples of online tricks, some might even surprise you. The four most common types of email scams, and most importantly, how to recognize fake emails so you don't get fooled. Think of your computer like your house. You lock your doors to keep thieves out, right? Well, online, you need to do the same thing, except instead of locks, you have to be smart. First, let's talk about crime in general. Some crimes don't need computers, like stealing a bike or breaking a window. But when criminals do use computers, things get way more sneaky. For example, instead of stealing your wallet, they steal your password. Instead of breaking into a bank, they hack into accounts. So here's a discussion question for you. How do you think a thief could use a computer to steal? Imagine trying to take something without being there in person, maybe by tricking someone into giving away information. That's exactly what we'll see in these scams. Here's something crazy. Your phone isn't just a phone. It's a tiny, powerful computer. That means it can be hacked just like a laptop. A police expert once said, if you carry a phone, you're carrying a computer with a phone attached. Have you ever gotten a weird text saying, you've won a prize? Click here. That's a scammer trying to trick you. And just like a computer, clicking the wrong link can cause big trouble. Ready for some mind-blowing facts? Let's play true or false. So first one, cybercrime makes more money than drug trafficking. Well, that's true. Cyber criminals earn billions, more than some illegal drugs. Someone's identity is stolen every 10 minutes. That's false. It's actually every 2 seconds. That's like 30 people while I say this sentence. An unprotected PC can get infected in 4 minutes online. That's true. If you don't have security, it's like walking into a room full of germs. You'll catch a virus fast. Now let's break down the 4 main types of email scams. First up is phishing. Now these are fake emails pretending to be from trusted companies. The second is a Trojan horse. It's a hidden virus inside downloads. Number 3, we have advanced fee fraud. Things like send money now, get rich later. And here's the spoiler, you won't. The fourth one is a virus-generated email. These are fake messages which appear to be from friends. So here's an example for you. Phishing is like a fisherman throwing out bait, except instead of fish, they're trying to hook you. Let's zoom in on phishing. Here's how it works. You get an email that looks real, maybe from Netflix, PayPal, or even your school. It says something scary like, your account is locked. Click here to fix it. If you click, you're taken to a fake website that steals your password. There are some red flags to spot. The greeting is very vague, like, dear customer. I mean, they don't know your real name or your first name. The sender's email might look a little bit weird, such as Netflix-support@scam or something.com. There's urgent pressure. Act now or lose your account. So here's a tip. Always check the real website by typing it yourself. Never click the link. So here's the scary part. Phishing works because it plays on fear. Scammers send 100,000 emails or so, even if only 5% fall for it. That's 5,000 victims. Imagine if your school sent an email and 50 students clicked the bad link. That's how fast it spreads. Now, a protection tip. If an email feels a little off, trust your gut. Real companies never ask for passwords via email. Next up, Trojan horses. These are hidden viruses inside something that looks harmless. So an example of this might be, you get an email which says you've won a prize, click to claim. But when you download the prize, it infects your computer. So what the virus does, it records every key you type like a spy watching you enter passwords. It uses your computer to send spam to all your contacts. A Trojan horse is like a poison candy. It looks sweet, but hides something dangerous. Ever heard of the Nigerian prince scam? It's a classic one. So how it works, you get an email, something like, I'm a prince, send $1,000 and I'll give you $1 million. But once you send money, they disappear. And the rule is, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably always is. Here's a sneaky one. Virus-generated emails. Now, there are some signs to look out for this. So they're sent from a friend's hacked account. The message could be something like, check out this cool website, or I'm stuck abroad, send money. So what do you do in a situation like this? You call or text your friend to confirm that this email came from them, to check whether it's genuine. Never click the link. It could infect your computer too. Now, the most important part, how to stay safe. Well, the top tips for this is to use spam filters. Spam filters are like a bouncer for your inbox. Hover over links to see the URL or the web address before you click on it. Never share passwords, not even with friends. So a fun rule, your password is like your toothbrush. Don't share it and change it regularly. So let's have a quick recap about what we've covered today. Phishing, Trojans, fake requests, and virus emails, all tricks to watch out for. The red flags are things like creating a sense of urgency, very bad grammar or language, and strange looking links. So to protect yourself, be skeptical, question things, verify with friends or family if you need to, and use security tools. So final thought, which scam do you think is the sneakiest? Let me know in the comments, and remember, stay sharp, stay safe, and never trust strange emails. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more tech safety tips, and see you on the next video. Bye for now.